Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. So today I have come up with one more series of Gd&T certification videos. So there were multiple questions within my network of professionals as well as the colleagues and my YouTube subscribers regarding the Gd&T certification, how to go about it, what is the benefit of it, how to do this preparation, and most of the questions I thought would do a series of video to help all the folks there. So stay tuned for multiple videos related to Gd&T certification. So majorly about me, quickly I'll introduce myself. I'm an engineering graduate in industrial engineering and management from Vishwesvaraya Technological University and India, and I did my tool and die making from NDTF, and then I also did precision engineering in precision machining from ITE Balestier. With I have a 20 plus years of industrial experience in different domains like manufacturing, semiconductor, and aerospace engineering and management. I am also ASME certified in geometric dimensioning and tolerancing professional. So we are going to discuss today an important topic, Gdtp personal certification process. The first step is to purchase the application. The payment for the examination must be submitted prior to the submitting an application. Payment by credit card may be submitted on asme.org or via phone. The next step is submit an application. Within a 24 hours of making a Gdtp application purchase, the applicant will receive an confirmation by email. This email will contain the instruction for the accessing the ASME-PC Connect ASME certification management system to submit an application. The third step would be to register and schedule your exam. Once your application has been accepted, you will receive an email with instruction on how to schedule your exam. Exams are conducted at conveniently located prometric test centers. You will have 180 days to schedule your exam from the time your application is approved. So next step will be to prepare for the exam, which is very critical. Even if you have used the Gd&T in the past, you will need to review the specific details in ASME Y14.5-1994 or ASME Y14.5 2009, depending on which exam you registered for. Previously, Gdtp certified professionals have used study guides, training courses, and mentoring to prepare for exam. So next step, fifth one, will be the take the exam. ASME will notify you for your test results. If your test result was successful, you will be notified via email and have the ability to download the digital copy of certificate, and you will be entered to certification holders listing on ASME PC Connect. If your test was not successful, you will be provided with instruction for the retest. So what will be the next step? The sixth step is to maintain your certification. So applicant who passed the Gdtp exam will be issued a certificate. Certificates will be identify the Y14.5 standard revision. The certification is based on and the level of certification. The certificates will have an expiration date of 3 years from the date of issuance. Hope you enjoyed today's session. You find it informative. Please like, share, subscribe, comments. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. I'll get back to you. Happy learning and stay tuned. Have a good day. Thank you.